I'm making this small video about this speaker, which had this indent. You can see this had previous repairs, which included a not so bad repair, just a pinhole. It doesn't matter on the fact. I would show you, but neighbors are around. Using masking tape, duct tape. Yeah, using duct tape. So I didn't believe it would work actually. So I'll just show you. I just took a small piece like that, introduce this on the dented part, give it like less than a minute. I gave it like 30 seconds and start pulling it gently, because if you pull it right, I'll think this shit is so strong, like I think it will move this speaker. Like, you see this? It has some power in it. So, and here you can just see me pulling out the speaker and figuring out how I cannot fix it. I was watching like a lot of useless videos on YouTube, so that was, and WikiHow was fucking unhelpful. Like, really, put in this cone and what and and what? So here I am trying to cover up the small pinholes that were made by previous repairs, trying to make perfect. It's pretty wrong. I think things should be sometimes imperfect. So here you see why it should be imperfect. I just should have gave up earlier. So this is my final result, which is pretty much awful, but does the work, I guess. I like to know that I tried my best on things and they still work, so this is why I don't care. Like, I care enough. I want this to work properly, and this is the result. This is how it should be, and here is it again. What you should know: you can pop them, like the small ones. You can play with your thumbs, and this may help. It's risky because you can tear it, as mine is torn. One last thing I wanted to show you is I tried to make the old solution again, which is puncturing the speaker and pulling it gently. Poorly, it went, as it didn't pierce, as you can see, and I thought to heat it up to melt the surrounding, but I then mistakenly touched the cone and it just started popping. So yeah, good luck with your adventures with this.